Infinite Void Pure Data Tutorial by Infinite Void. Going forward and my future videos, I will stop indicating what keys I'm pressing on the keyboard. I hope you've practiced enough and memorized the keyboard shortcuts for creating add-on boxes like objects, messages, and etc. Hopefully this does not cause any inconvenience to anyone. You can always pause the videos to figure it out. Thanks for your understanding. Let's now record the sounds coming out of the Pure Data software. To do this, we need to use the write SF tilde object. Create an object called write SF tilde space 2. Connect the volume control outlet to write SF tilde space 2 and connect them to both the inlets. Both inlets create a stereo track. Now let's create a message with the text open -bytes for filename .wave, start. This is what initializes the recording. Open, which means to open. -bytes 4 means to create a 32-bit floating point sound file. Filename is the name we are giving our file. Start means to record the file to the disk. Now let's add the message stop. Stop means to stop the audio recording to the disk. You need to first click on the open message to activate or initialize the recording. Then activate your sounds by turning the volume control on, and then click on the messages entering the phaser object to generate the sounds to store into the recorder writes SF object. When you want to end your recording, you click on stop. Let's demonstrate how to do this starting now. The WAV file is stored in the same folder you saved your patch. I'll go to my folder that the patch is saved and I will open the audio recording. See, we just recorded the audio file of what we wanted. It's really easy to record sounds coming out of Pure Data software. I have some additional notes to say. So the way we designed this recorder will override the same file if you click on the open message again. If you want to not override the recording, ensure you change the file name text to something else. You cannot have spaces in the file name. If you add spaces to your file name, you will run into issues where the object does not work. As previously mentioned in another video, I have a digital online book on the software Pure Data. You can find the link to the website below in the description box. This book is updated on the go. The update will be made when a Pure Data tutorial video is published onto my YouTube channel. You can find a link to the code in the description box. I upload my code to GitHub. I believe it's important to make your code available so that others can learn from your code. This is why I often share and upload my code to GitHub, so it can help others grow. Thanks for watching!